From Lebanon.
Okay.
It's falafel.
Oh, yeah.
Enough with the Lebanon.
All right. Here in Old Jaffa City. Did I say that right?
That's right.
Old Jaffa City, cruising around in a JL, brand new JL in Israel. Got Bone Tactical represented here, Zahal.org. Over here, check out the shirt. And we've got an expert on the Old City as well.
And South Tel Aviv.
And South Tel Aviv. Give us a fun fact. We need a fun fact for the video. Favorite fun fact for the area that we're in right now.
Favorite fun fact?
Yeah.
All he knows is that it's the best pizza place around the corner in Tel Aviv.
We can't share the best pizza place for YouTube. You guys are gonna have to come here and find the best pizza place yourself.
He is an expert in restaurants.
Definitely, definitely. Everything restaurants.
Okay.
If you want to know something about restaurants, then you can ask me.
Okay, what's the best? We'll share the best pizza place with them. We'll give them that
best
free.
Pizza place is in Florentine. Giuseppe Pizza.
Giuseppe Pizza.
Oh, there we go. Free advertisement, Giuseppe.
The garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce from Giuseppe Pizza.
So you got to understand, we just came from Napoli, Italia.
And it has nothing. If you want also a free seat next to you in the plane, eat a garlic pizza beforehand.
Okay.
And you will definitely get space.
Travel tip. Eat a big garlic pizza before you get on the plane, and there's a good chance that you will have an empty seat next to you.
Yeah.
Kids get run over all the time. This is beautiful.
Just wanted to give you guys a little brief view of our apartment here in Netanya, Israel. Got AC, TV, nice modern look, living room area, 2 bedrooms, nice little kitchen, bedroom here, nice view, open closet, nice little bedroom here. Nice view as well. We're a little short walk from the beach, and we're going to be doing some bathroom school. We're going to be heading north of here, and I have some meetings in the Lebanon area. I don't want to get real specific, but I'll show you guys as much as I can, as I told you I would. Just wanted to give a brief view of the apartment that we're staying in today, or this week. And like I said, I don't know how much filming I'm going to be doing in Lebanon. Actually, I'm not even bringing my camera to some of the meetings, so I'll film what I can and show you guys from there. Bone out.